Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Minion Rush application free for your Android device. Downloading Minion Rush on your Android is a straightforward process, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, go to the search box appearing at the top of the screen and type in Minion Rush. Once you look for this application, you will be able to see the application available on the search result. Simply tap on this application from Gameloft and tap on Install to start downloading the app on your Android device. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, and you can now start playing Minion Rush on your Android phone by tapping on the play button. That's how you can easily download Minion Rush for Android in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.